Hey trainers, Kyle here, your gym leader at Lavender Town Accounting. I got a quick question for you before we get started. Have you ever mailed a tax payment right at the deadline and you assumed you were just fine? If so, you'll definitely want to pay attention to this one. Today, I want to talk about an important update from the United States Postal Service that affects how you mail your tax payments. For years, taxpayers have relied on something called the mailbox rule. In simpler terms, if your tax payment is postmarked on or before the due date, it's treated as mailed timely, even if the IRS receives it at a later date. Just to be clear, the mailbox rule itself is not changing, but as of December 24th, 2025, the United States Postal Service has changed how they apply postmarks. Instead of postmarking mail when it's dropped off at your local post office or mailbox, the USPS now generally applies the postmark when it reaches the electronic processing hub. So what does that mean in real life? If you drop a tax payment in the mail on the due date here in Lavender Town, it might not get postmarked until it reaches a larger regional facility like Celadon City, which could be a day or two later, and that can make an on-time payment look like it's late. If you find this information helpful, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. We put out short, practical videos like this to help Pokemon Go trainers, creators, and card sellers stay compliant, keep more of what they earn. Because of this USPS change, we're recommending that any tax payments you mail through the USPS be sent using certified mail. Certified mail gives you proof of mailing and, most importantly, proof of the mailing date. Think of it like a save point. Keep the receipt in case the IRS ever asks. This change does not affect electronic payments and it doesn't change the tax law, but it does mean you need to be more strategic when mailing time-sensitive payments. I'm also curious. Drop a comment below and let us know. Do you usually mail your tax payments or do you send all your tax payments electronically? And remember, at the end of the day, we're here to help you count them all and keep it all, legally of course. See you next time.